Are you ready to transform your backyard into a dreamy paradise? Let's talk about our fantastic fiberglass swimming pool, the Oasis. It's not just a pool, it's a gateway to endless fun and cherished memories. Our Oasis model is a stunning freeform fiberglass swimming pool, crafted to bring joy to every splash and dive. Its unique curving edges and generous deep end, reaching a depth of 7 feet 11 inches, promise ample room for the whole family, even the most enthusiastic swimmers. Imagine the laughter and joy as the kiddos play in the spacious Oasis. This pool is a playground for water games, where every day is a new adventure. Our design embraces a freeform style, which means it's not your typical, run-of-the-mill rectangular pool. It's got personality, with curves in all the right places. The Oasis's curving walls aren't just for show, they offer cozy sitting spots, including a bench seat and gracefully curved entry steps. Perfect for those lazy afternoons when you just want to dip your feet in the water and chill. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.